Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Raina Moe's Designs. And today is going to be amongst one of the shorter videos that I've done. This is a continuation episode of our Happy Homemaker series, which I've slowed this video down quite a bit so that you can see the detail that I'm presenting here. And on today's video, we're just going to teach you, anyone who wants to be a wife or a husband, learn how to cook and take care of their family. One of the most important things you can do is cooking for your family and adding flavor to simple dishes. So we're going to learn how to cut an onion, and not just how to cut an onion, but how to French cut an onion. So what you see me doing here is I'm going to take the top and the bottoms off of this onion. We like to use sweet onions, and you'll notice the golden hue of the onion. That is the paper that has to be removed from the onion, along with the first layer of the onion skin. So as I remove the top and the bottom, you'll see that I will make a thin slice across the side of the onion, and that is to help me remove both the paper and the first layer of onion skin. And as you can see, sometimes the onion skin layer can give you a little bit of trouble, but just keep at it and it will pull right off. So here, the thing I want you to notice is the knife that I'm using. You'll notice that the blade is about 5 inches, no longer than that. It's considered a paring knife, but to me, it just gives you more control when you're doing this fine prep work. So pay attention to the tools that you have. This cutting board, I absolutely love it. I will link it down below, but there's a slot underneath it that has all of these different colored boards, so that you can not mix your boards with what you cut your vegetables, with what you cut your chicken, with what you cut your meat and your fish and such. So I'll link that down below for you guys if you're interested. So now I just rinsed off my onions in preparation for beginning to cut them up. And the reason you want to rinse your onions is because onions are a root vegetable. They grow in the dirt. There could be bacteria on it, and you've just cut the tops and the bottoms off. So you just want to rinse it. And there we go. So here I'm cutting the onions in half and setting them aside, and now the fun begins. If you'll notice, I have my knife at a 45-degree angle, which makes it easier for me to cut thin slices in a 45-degree angle. You'll want to cut until you feel comfortable or uncomfortable that you could possibly cut yourself, and then lay the remaining portion of the onion over. Now this, what I'm doing right here, I do not suggest anyone brand new to cutting up vegetables to do that. Just leave that piece a little bigger. You can either put that away for stock, or you can dice that. And I will show a video on how to dice onions as well. But anyway, that's pretty much it. It's very easy to French an onion, and it's beautiful in the way that it looks when on presentation. You can also keep in mind that during this time of year, people are buying Frenchies, French fried onions, and basically when you listen to the label of that food, it's made by the company Frenchies, but they're called French fried onions. That's because the onions have been cut in the French style and then fried. Why would you have to spend that extra money when now you know how to French your own onions, and you can put a little bit of flour on them and fry them yourselves and have fresh fried onions made with love. I think that makes the best casserole any time of year. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. If there's something particular that you want to learn and you want me to teach it to you, put that down in the comments below. Also, keep in mind that I try to stay a little bit more active, with the community posts and such. So keep an eye out for that. And this month, we're doing lots more videos, like almost daily. So keep an eye out for your girl. Always like our videos and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. But pretty much that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, but most importantly, I hope you learned something from this video, because we're in a time now where we need to make the most of the pennies that we have, at the same time while doing that, showing love to each other. And for me, being in the kitchen, that's making something tasty that's going to fill the bellies of my loved ones. That's love to me. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I really hope that you learned something that you didn't know before. And let me know in the comments if you actually try that this time of year. Okay? I love you guys. Bye.